right? You just pop every time you want to use it, you have to go back to the website, start it up.
Yeah, you do. Exactly. Yeah. Okay. So hi everybody. This is for all the woo go St. Markers who are going to cross country. All right. We're in class. Want to say hi everybody?
Hello.
Woo! Okay, good. All right. And what we're going to do today is we are going to work with our Flappy characters. We currently have two characters, but we want to get the second character to actually do some stuff. So we are going to make a subclass. See, I got my cool wolf. That's awesome, but it just goes over there and goes away. So we don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do, okay, so what we're going to do, everybody's going to do this. We are going to make a new class, okay? And we're going to make it like horizontal. We have characters, and then we're going to make a subclass called horizontal characters. So we're going to call it horizontal character.
SRC.
Yes. Yeah, or you can put it in the package. Either way, I just put it in Flappy Flap Brown. Okay, it's going to be part of Flappy Flap Brown. So you want it to end up like there, just like one of everybody else. Okay, good question. I stuck mine in Flappy Flap Brown, the package. Okay, so it's part of the package and it says so, right? Okay, so horizontal, I call it horizontal characters. That's kind of lame. Let's call it horizontal character. Okay, this is going to change this. So I got to go like this. It's thinking. Okay, I'm going to rename this, rename the file so it's better, it feels better. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a child of the character class. So I have to say extends character. Okay, and that's a good thing because all the character loads all your files and like all the pictures and stuff like that, right? Okay, so then what's going to happen is it's going to give me a bunch of like error messages. So I'm going to go through them. Okay, so what it's saying is I don't have a constructor for you. Okay. And it also wants this default ID. I'm going to add the default ID. Some people don't have this problem. I do. Okay, and I just live with it. And then I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to make a default constructor. See how it says add constructor? See this, guys? Okay. So what it's going to do is, boom, you get this huge, fat, ugly constructor. Look at it. It's like big constructor. But what it does is it calls... I'm going to paste it back in there. What it does is it calls up the old constructor. See this super? See this right here? So what it does, okay? A horizontal character is a character, okay? So what happens is you still need like the character to be the horizontal character. It's you plus it's character plus another thing, right? So this super means call up the parent and just use it. Okay, and that's fine. Okay. So we're going to do that, okay? So that's great, okay? So now we have this sort of extra class, and then we're going to go try to use it, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Flappy 2 frame. See this? Okay? And we make the other character here. See this? See where it says character? Okay? I'm going to change that now to horizontal character. Okay? Horizontal character, okay? And then I'm going to get an error because this other character isn't a horizontal character. So I got to go back up here and change this guy to horizontal character too. It didn't give me an error. That's weird. There it goes. Horizontal character. Okay, so now my character is a horizontal character. All I did was I kind of like upclassed it. I kind of made it into another class. Okay, you guys with me? See what I did? What's that? Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here. And this was all from automatic stuff though, right? So here's the main, or no, this is the character, right? No, that's frame. What am I doing?
Have you missed the public horizontal character and the super thing show up? Yeah.
What's that? Oh, what I did was I went into horizontal character. Okay. Let me go back over here. Okay, good question. I'm gonna take this whole thing out. This is my constructor. If I take it away, it'll give me this error. It goes, oh look, you don't have a constructor. See? So you go must define some constructor. You can't have a default. This one's too complicated to have a default. That's what it's telling you. So I just went like this and I said add constructor. Because you can type this up yourself, right? But this is like, you know, we have all these picks and all these things and we have all the scales and it's Friday, you know, stuff like that. Okay, but the only thing I'm doing is I'm maintaining my kind of like our way of making objects. So what I do is I put my data stuff on top. Okay. So I'm gonna keep data here, and this thing, this like static value that maybe makes a data thing. These are my constructors. Okay, and then I'm gonna need some methods. Now watch what happens now. Okay, so what I did is I made my wolf into a horizontal character, right? And the thing is now it doesn't have a oh, actually it will still move, I think. Okay, let's see. Right now, because if I do this, like hopefully it'll just show up. Okay, let's go over time. Okay, so it's still there, right? It's like the exact same thing happened. Okay, now watch this though. Okay, all right. Now characters have a move me. That's how the wolf moves. Okay, and what we did was we overrode the move me in character for the Flappy Bird, and that's how the Flappy Bird goes up and down. What we're going to do right now is make a move me for the wolf. Watch this. So I'm going to go public void move me. Okay, and this is an overriding function now. Okay, it's an overriding method because we have one in character, right? Let me move this like maybe over here. Let me put this away. Okay, so I got character, right? So see how character has this move me here? See this? Okay. If I'm in horizontal character and I put it in a move me, what's our move me going to do down here? No, it does nothing right now. What you're saying right now, it does nothing. See how there's nothing in here? So if I run this, this won't do it. This is the one, it always goes to the child. If you have two same functions, it always goes to the child first. Okay?
So both of them are doing nothing.
Well, no. Well, the whole thing, like the horizontal character is a character, but it could use either the character's moving function or the horizontal character function, right? You could use this sort of more specific one. We're going to make a more specific one, but right now, right, last time I ran this, right, the little wolf ran across. What's going to happen is the wolf's going to stick here now because it doesn't have anything to move itself now. Like it might not even show up. See, okay, I think my wolf's like over here. See, there's my wolf. Okay, I made my wolf be off screen. See it? See the nose? See it? See it? See it? Okay, okay. Okay, but see how it's not moving, right? Okay, everybody good with me? Okay, that's overriding. I just overrode this one with this one. Okay, because there's nothing in it. Go ahead. What's your question? Okay. So okay, let me stop the video here for a second. We can deal with like small problems. You can actually call up the parent. Okay, so I'm gonna get my move back by going like this. See how we said super up here? Okay, I can say super down here too because I want to do this. I want to move this thing. See this movie is good. I like this movie, right? So I'm gonna go like this. I'll do one more thing and then we'll fix errors. I'm gonna say super move me. Okay. So see what I'm doing? I'm calling the parents move me, and watch what happens here. It's all good. Yay! See? But now it doesn't cycle, but we'll put the cycle stuff in there. Okay? So that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this. All right, so the things are good. Sorry, we're back here like taping this. Okay, what we need to do is check what's gonna happen is when the character goes across the screen, okay? Yeah, and what's the point where it's gonna flip? When do you want to flip it? Yeah, when it gets past zero, basically. Yeah, or whatever feels good to flip it, right? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go like this. We're going to say if, okay? And we're in this character, so I think you go like this, dot, and hopefully we have these things. We have get my xlog. I have that. See that? Okay? Okay. If this get my xlog becomes less than, say, 0, and you could even do like minus the character's width. You could do like this, dot. Do we have this though? Get character width? Do we have this? Oh, no. Do we get my width? We might have to build it.
Start it from 0, 0 anyway on the gift, so you just put 0.
Well, if you said 0, 0, then the character would be like right on the edge of the screen. You kind of want the character to go past the screen, right? You want it to go like past. I think you do, because otherwise it would be like you'd see it. I think you want it to like cycle like behind the scene.
Oh, so it's not flipping sides.
I want it to go all the way go across. It's not like bouncing. Yeah. I think in Flappy Birds they cycle, right? So we want to do that. So we need this one function. This might be a problem. We have to program this. Get let me just see what we have in terms of gets. Get width. That's a J. That's not ours. Yeah, sorry guys, we're gonna have to program this. Okay, all right. So hold on. It was all so good. All right, I gotta go into character for a second. Okay, you guys with me? All right, this is one of those things. All right, I'm in character. Okay, and right over here, I'm gonna go. I gotta add a couple of getters, basically. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Go public void or public int get character with. Okay, so characters kind of, we're gonna pass this up to people. It's gonna go return c with. Okay, and then we're gonna go public int get character. Okay, character height, and that's gonna return c height. Okay, is that okay with everybody? Okay, that's weird, but we have to do it. Okay, so it's another one of these things where I need to show that I can get data. So then I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to say this dot get character with. Okay, something like that. And then you could add like 10 or something if you wanted to, like minus 10 more or something like that. You can make it like further down the screen. You see what I'm saying? Okay. All right. So if that's true, then what do we want to do? Does this thing know the frame width? How does this thing know the frame width? And why is this not working? Yeah, but where are we? That's the thing. Why doesn't it get character? R-A-C-T. I didn't spell this right. Character. Okay. Oh man, I can't. I continually spell it wrong. And now it's on video. It's like my poor spelling habits are on video. What's that?